Hello, my friends. Today we are going to talk about Maxwell's second equations. In electrostatics, we have learned that the divergence of a electric field is equals to Q divided by epsilon. This means if the charge is positive, then we will end up with a positive divergence of the electric field. In this case, the electric field is radiating outwards. On the other hand, if your charge is negative, then by convention, the electric field is converging into the charge source. But this thing doesn't apply to magnetism. In a magnet or electromagnets, we always have an N pole and south pole, and the fields and the magnetic field from the north poles always go back to the south pole. In this case, Maxwell has cleverly summarized this phenomenon with his second Maxwell equation. Convergence of magnetic field is always equal to 0. This means magnetic monopole does not exist.